What are you doing?
We're going to trim the plum tree.
Okay.
Tree pruner. First thing we do is extend it out. Push it in and then get this. And then basically hook the tree limb in here. And you can pull the rope and it'll snip it off. So we have to figure out where to trim. So the plum tree, it's got the green is what's grown in the last year. Where it turns brown is a couple years old. The brown part is where the fruit will actually grow this year. But we want to trim off some of this green because it's gotten too big and bushy, and that'll promote more growth of the fruit down right there.
Uh-oh.
There, it's trimmed.
So, what's your plan now?
Go around the tree and just trim it.
No idea what to do, isn't it?
Yeah, I'm figuring it out as I go.
Can you show me how you use this thing?
Right here. I'll do it here. So you hook the tree limb over the hook, and then when you pull the rope, come out and snip it off. Okay.
Okay.
Help me with the shape.
Well, I mean, this side a little bit longer. Maybe over there, that one. Yeah, that one. Yeah, yeah. Maybe trim a little bit that one.
Yeah.
Yeah. Then more balance. Oh, and then the one in yeah, take this one out. And then the one in the front, these two a little bit smaller. Yeah, these two.
Here.
Yeah. And then that one behind it.
Here.
Yeah. Okay. I think maybe that's better. What do you think?
I think it look pretty good.
You like this too? What is?
Made by Fiskars. It's very sharp and works good.
Good brand?
Good brand. Famous scissors manufacturer.
Should we post this one?
Sure. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you find this video useful.
Thank you.